How can you make a married joint? I'll be showing you how you can make a married joint, as this joint can only be made with multiple strands cable. Gently remove the insulation of the cable. Avoid breaking any of the strands, so you remove the insulation carefully. You do the same for the other cable. Carefully remove the insulation. That's it. And then you spread out each strands of the cable one after the other. Now carefully fix the strands to interlock the other strands one after the other. Lay out the strands and adjust them firmly, just the way I'm doing it. Pick them one after the other and then lay them out. Ensure they are firmly locked together. Press the joints tightly with your plier. Now pick out a strand and twist round the remaining bunch of strands. At the point of the twist, you pick another strand and twist round. You do the same for the next strands until all the strands on one end are completed. Ensure that your twists are firmly twisted. After completing one end, you switch to the other end of the cable. You do the same thing for the first strand. Start twisting from the center of the joint. From the center of the joint, you twist outward. You pick another strand and twist it round again. Continue with the remaining strands until all strands are completed. After completing all strands, make sure you use your plier to press down the twist to ensure a neat and firm twist. Married joints can withstand tension from overhead installation. This joint can be applied when joining cables in an overhead distribution network.